Hello, this is Anthony Santiago, and this is a video on how to make a carrot cake. First, gather ingredients for cake. 1½ cup of sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1½ teaspoon of vanilla, 1½ cups of cooked carrots boiled, 1 cup of chopped walnuts, and 1½ teaspoon of salt. Ingredients for cream cheese frosting. 2 packs of cream cheese, 8 ounce, softened, 1/4 cup or margarine softened, 2 to 3 teaspoons of milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 4 cups powdered sugar. Instructions on how to prepare the dessert. Step 1. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Step 2. Prepare baking pans. Add butter to grease pans, then sprinkle flour. Step 3. Allow ingredients to reach room temperature. Step 4. Stir dry ingredients together. Step 5. Combine butter and sugar. Step 6. Beat the eggs in a separate bowl, and then add slowly to the butter and sugar mix. Step 7. Add the wet ingredients to the dry and mix together until all blended. Step 8. Pour batter into the baking pans. And finally, Step 9. Bake for 45 minutes. Instructions for making frosting. Step 1. Beat cream cheese, soften butter, and vanilla together in a large bowl until it is light and creamy. Step 2. Add sugar to the mix and beat until smooth. Step 3. When cake is cooled, add frosting and place in refrigerator for 15 minutes. Step 4. Decorate the cake and enjoy.